Alright, hello. Subscribe. Alright, there's my face, my right side. I'm going to put some of this oil on my face to smooth out my face. Yep, just lather that bad boy on there all over. Make sure you get the eye. Alright, and then here's the foundation. It's brown, because I'm brown. The neck. Okay, there's the eyes. Make sure you swirl it in nice and tough so it goes in the creases in your neck and some of your hair on your sideburns. There you go. Yep, just all over. And then here's this for my eyes, for my bags. It's kind of like foundation, and on for your nose too, so you look like a Indian warrior. Yep, you just throw that in there with your finger because the brush doesn't work very well. And then you get this sponge and put it in that Hydra Perfect, and then you put that some more stuff under your eyes. And then this is for your eyelashes or eyebrows. Yep, you just brush your eyebrows so they're nice and full. And then you color it in with this pencil so it's dark, and then you curl it again. Okay, now you're going to use this for your eye. What is this? This is a eyeshadow. Yep, put a whole bunch on there so your eyes look shadowed. And then this is with some more for your eyeshadow. There you go. It's brown, but only on the ends. And then you rub it in with your finger because, again, the brush is kind of useless. Okay, and then some more for your bags. Make sure you don't poke your eye there. And then, yep, and you want a defined nose. Everyone knows defined nose is a beauty, so we're doing that. Then we're gonna get some compelling eyeshadow. And we're gonna throw that on there. It's a little glittery. Kind of brightens up your eyes and your eyes, your eyeshadow and your eyebrows. And then some more eye stuff here. It's more brown, it's going to be pointy this time though, so it's nice and pointy there. And then this is your your lipstick. Yep, and then you're going to set it with that. And then this is some more for your eyes. You're gonna put this slowly on your eyelid so it doesn't poke your eyes, but right above your eye, your eye things. Yep. And then we're gonna curl the eyelashes to make them big and long. Look at that. Wow. 1, 2. Yep, get the bottom ones too. You can't see them until there they are. And then you're gonna get some of this, and then for your nose again, because you didn't have enough on there before, it's just to make it more defined. And then for your cheekbones. And then this is for also for your cheekbones, because this is gonna make your jawline look nice. And also your hairline and your neck. Pretty much your face. And then you're going to put this on your bottom lip to make it look full, because full lips is a good lip. Yep. You got to rub them together and then touch it with your finger, make sure it's on there right. Yep. And then that is going to set it. And then you're going to spray this all over your face to ruin everything you just did, and then rub that in to make it sit better. And this is what I look like with my hair down. Oh, smile to the right, smile to the left. That's my makeup tutorial. Subscribe. notifications. Make sure you like it. I'm Jensy Verdijo. Okay, bye. Thanks.